Hello everybody, welcome back. Now this week we're talking all about seals, and as we've learned previously, there are 5 different types of seals found here on Antarctica. Now right behind me, you can see this majestic fur seal standing up on the rocks. And you may be thinking, isn't he cold? Isn't he cold out here? Well, we've learned in previous weeks that these animals are extremely robust, and amazingly, they can keep warm even though it's freezing here. Now this week, we have Jordan again.
Hello, Gavin.
Hello, Jordan. Now, Jordan is from Young Art USA, and this week we're talking all about making animals come to life and putting them on the front cover of a book. Jordan, what are we looking at?
Well, what we really need to focus on is the idea of emphasis. Emphasis in art is the most important thing on the page. It's the part that grabs your attention, and a book cover is really important to grab your attention because it's usually the first thing that people see and understand about a book.
That's right. Now, when I think about a book cover, I see a title and then I see a picture. What kind of picture should I be choosing as my main focus point?
So you want to have something that will be very important, that tells a little bit of the story, but doesn't give too much away. So if you're writing a story about a seal, having a seal that is standing up and looking at attention and grabbing your attention makes a lot more sense than to have something that is all spread out or a whole bunch of different things.
That's right. Now, should my main character, the main focus point of the first page or the front cover, should it be big? Should it be small? Should it be in the foreground, or should I put it right at the back?
Well, you do want to have a background to kind of get a sense of color in the piece, but we want to have your focus, the emphasis, be really big on the page and usually centralized, meaning that it's right in the center, easy to see and easy to understand.
Right, and is this usually my main character? Should I be putting my main character on the front page?
Yes, if you have multiple characters, you want to choose one that is going to be the most important, the one that you want to focus on. The main character is a good idea to have as your emphasis in the piece.
Right, now when I think about the background, should I include lots of detail? How will I use the coloration to make sure that my character stands out?
Well, when we talked about contrast earlier, it was the differences that you see. So if your main character is warmer colors, then you probably want to use cooler colors in the background. If your character is heavily detailed, if there's a lot of texture, or if there's a way for them to attract attention to make the background less or different than the character itself, the foreground. So having contrast and emphasis together work really well.
Cool, amazing. Now, as you can see, there is a seal behind me, and he's very majestic, standing up and parading himself very proudly of who he is and what he's about. Now, this week, what we want you to do is try to create your own book cover. The front page of a book, then in a few weeks you are actually going to illustrate and publish. And we want you to practice the skills that Jordan's been talking about today, because in a few weeks' time you're going to bring one of these amazing Antarctic creatures to life, tell a story, and that story is going to have a message of hope that this area can be protected and preserved. Jordan, it's been amazing again.
Thank you very much, Gavin.
Thank you so much, and we'll see you next week.